Hello, hi. Welcome to the new video. Here in this particular video, I wanted to share one of the recent interview experience. Basically, in this particular video, I'm sharing the questions. Okay, so as a interview process, it was a pre-screening. Okay, like a pre-interview, like screening round. So it was not conducted by a human, like a human interviewer. It was like a AI interviewer. Okay, so there is a AI application which they have used, and they trained the AI application in such a way, based upon our response, the next follow-up question will be there, like that. Okay, and it was more into like how human interact and how he tell and it will listen, like that. The AI bot also does the same, and it was held for half an hour, and I got some good questions out of it. Okay, so those questions I wanted to share with you. So that is the reason I'm doing this particular video. In the upcoming video, I will share along with the responses also. It is just a kind of quick questions only. Okay, so without further ado, let's enter into the video. The first question was self-introduction. After that, it asked for when you're preparing a DevSecOps architecture for a banking domain, what kind of security complaints and considerations do you factor in, and which AWS service have you typically used in that particular case? And the next question was, can you describe a specific instance where the SAST, DAST, and SCA tools are identified a critical vulnerability in a banking application, and how did you or team handled it? That particular vulnerability, and what is your role in that remediation part? And the next question is regarding can you walk me through a typical scenario where you have deployed and managed a containerized application on EKS for a client, and what kind of architectural designs did you make, and what tools did you use for continuous deployment and monitoring purpose? And the next question was, in your role as a DevSecOps engineer, how did you leverage a Python automation tasks or build a solution that enhances the CI/CD pipelines and the cloud infrastructure automation management? Can you give a specific example? So Python is very much important. Wherever you go, they might focus on that. Okay. And the next question is, when developing your Python scripts for ECR, Elastic Container Registry image scanning, and what kind of error handlings did you done, and what is the logging mechanism did you implemented to ensure the reliability, and how would the scripts behave if a API failed or scan results were malformed? And the next question was, can you describe a significant project where you have used a Terraform to provision and manage the AWS infrastructure, and what kind of challenges did you face with state management, and how did you ensure idempotency and reusability of those modules? And the next question was, can you go deeper into a specific challenges you faced with the Terraform state management when collaborating with a team or handling a concurrent deployment? How did you idempotency so repeated applies produced the same results? And the next question was, can you describe a scenario where you have used a Prometheus and Grafana as well as a ELK stack to proactively monitor a critical cloud applications or troubleshooting a complex issues, and how did you set up the monitoring with metrics, or what metrics or logs did you focus on, and what insights did you gain out of it? And the next question was, this is basically a last question, how did you approach a mentoring or guiding a less experienced engineers in complex cloud or DevSecOps projects? Can you give an example of ongoing efficiently? So it is kind of, there are some practical scenario based questions also covered, and yeah, these are the questions which was covered in the interview, and I will put the questions in the description also. Kindly take it, and if you are preparing for interviews like job change, then definitely do consider this, and all the best for your job preparation, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.